Hey, how's it going, traders? In this video, we're going to break down ticker symbol FB or Facebook. So why did it drop? Why did all the social media stocks drop today? And are we buying the dip? So all that and more coming right up. If you guys aren't in our team's Discord, I highly suggest you guys join it. We are at just under 3,000 members and we're growing every single day. We're making a lot of awesome gains. People are learning a lot. We are coming out with a beginner boot camp for free this weekend. So make sure you guys come join the Discord. It's the first link in the description. Again, the beginner boot camp is 100% free and we're posting it this Friday. Hopefully I'll see you guys in there. Now on to the video. Alrighty, so I'm sure you heard about the Facebook stock taking a hit today, or maybe even you could try to go on Instagram, try to go on Facebook, or maybe even WhatsApp, and it wasn't loading. So I actually had a problem with it today. I can testify that yes, indeed, it was broken. I tried to contact some people on Facebook Marketplace, but it was not loading. So why did it happen? Well, this is what we got from the Wall Street Journal. If I go over to my Discord here. So from the Wall Street Journal, it reads, breaking news, a Facebook outage disrupted the app, WhatsApp, and Instagram for hours. The company told employees the cause was unknown. Now, because of that outage, this is what happened. This is just what happened today alone. As you can see, we were watching it for maybe a retest of the 315 support level. Didn't go quite that far. And since then it's recovered a little bit, but it is down almost 5% on the day. It has recovered after hours. Now let's analyze it on the 6-month chart to see if maybe it's a good swing trading opportunity. Now I'm not quite sure why the Twitter stock is down, because Twitter actually was working. Now I know the entire tech sector did take a hit today, but Twitter did take about a 6% loss, so even worse than Facebook. But heading back over to Facebook, I personally, out of the two, I like Facebook more than Twitter at the given price point. On the 6-month chart, this is a very good looking setup. Every time it approaches the 180-day simple moving average, it deems a really good buying opportunity. Now the question is, it is really far below the 180-day simple moving average. So I'm waiting for tomorrow for a few reasons. First, to see if it will retest the $320 support line, and if it breaks below it, we'll see 315, 310, maybe even 300. Now that's where I would start to be buying shares of this company. I still think it's a decent buy opportunity now, but I want to wait for more confirmation. Now yes, it has recovered after market, but it could continue to sell off all day tomorrow. But what I would like to see is a complete gap fill play. If it breaks above the 1335 support line, I think you will see a gap fill back up to 1340, 1350 within the end of the week. So this is a stock I'm definitely watching. Again, I do like it better than Twitter a little bit, because if we do go back to Twitter, when we pull it out to the 6-month chart, it's not that good. It does not make higher highs continually. It does not follow the 180-day simple moving average quite well. It's kind of all over the place. So I personally like Facebook a little bit more than Twitter at this given price point. So unfortunately, we don't know why the outage was today. We don't have a clear consensus, but we do know that the stock is now a good buying opportunity. So again, tomorrow I will be probably buying some shares. I'll let the Discord team know. Again, if you're not in the Discord, first link in the description. I am going to let them know when I think it's a good buying opportunity. I really think tomorrow will be either a make or break day for it. If it breaks below the $320 support level, this would be a great short down to the 300. But if it does break above the $335 resistance line, I think it'll be a really good gap fill play leading into next week. So there you have it. There's my thoughts on Facebook. Unfortunately, I don't know why the outage was today, but it did affect me personally because I was contacting someone through Facebook Marketplace. If you guys also think that Facebook is a good buying opportunity, why don't you click that like button. I'll see you guys in the very next video.